Welcome back to SpiritLifter. The first Thursday of November is International Stout Day, and as a fan of dark brews of all kinds, I'd be remiss not to partake. We've sampled brews from Flügge previously, and while not a large operation in comparison to other brands, they readily experiment with and innovate in the art of brewing. One of their newest is a reformulated vintage of Käte, which pulls inspiration from all kinds of stout subsets. Described as a wild stout, it is hard to pin this one down. Previous iterations were made with coffee, where this vintage includes oats. Let's keep it simple, calling it a barrel-aged imperial stout. This libation is brewed using Brettanomyces yeast, a strain used extensively in winemaking, as well as in many Belgian beers. During fermentation, the liquid ripens in a red wine barrel before it gets bottled at 9.5% alcohol by volume. Käte has a beautiful black appearance going into the glass. A 10-head lifts scents of coffee and those roasted English malts into your nose. Taking a sip, you'll encounter a velvety and smooth body that feels so much lighter than one would expect for such a dark, nearly double-digit brew. I had braced for an imperial stout that doubled down on both malt and hops, but I suspect the barrel mellowed any aggressive notes. Still, Käte is a certifiable imperial stout with a firm body. Stout season coincides with dropping temperatures, so besides enjoying a dark and strong brew like Käte, treat yourself to warming and filling dishes, like stew. Whether you take yours with meat or prefer something vegetarian, stew is a wonderful way to warm up. I fixed some lentils in mine on a base of mirepoix with balsamic sauerkraut before seasoning with Lebanese 7-spice. Between the boldness of Käte and the combined flavors of your stew, you should have everything you need to cozy up on cool, gray fall days. Thank you kindly for watching. Leave a comment to tell me what stout you're enjoying today. I've been playing catch-up lately after a short illness, but I'll return to a more regular upload schedule soon. Also, there's a special feature coming up on the 13th this month. Until next Tuesday, I wish you a happy International Stout Day.